Hello everybody and welcome to the Headteacher Assembly for Key Stage 1. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude, really be trying their best, always learning, especially from their mistakes, going for improvement and progress, using their education to help them make great choices, and never giving up. So what is true strength? Well, how can we become stronger? Well, we know there's physical strength and there's character strength. And physical strength, how strong your body is, well, we know that can overcome any physical challenges and that can help us win physical battles. But character strength, well, that can help you overcome any challenge and it can help you win any battle in the end. So what we say at Grange is the real strength is character strength, and you can really work at that and make your character strength stronger. So we started off by looking at wisdom, and wisdom is if you really think deeply. It's not just knowing stuff. Wisdom is really thinking about stuff before you just jump in and do something. And we learned some character strengths within wisdom. We learned about love of learning, that if you really enjoy learning, you love learning, any opportunity to learn, and if you're curious and you want to really find things out and find ways to solve problems, well, that grows your wisdom. And then you can use your wisdom to really do well in life and make great choices. And the next character strength we talked about was courage. And the thing about courage, we said it could mean lots of things. Could mean that you are willing to learn new things. You're not afraid to have a go at improving yourself. You take the time to make up your mind. You don't let anybody push you around. And also you learn from your mistake. And that is really courageous. That is having courage. And one thing we said also before the half term, we said, if you say sorry and you truly mean it and you start again, well, you have to really have courage to do that. Now, this picture, if you look at this picture, what can you see in this picture? We can see lots of people, they're swimming along, but they're all swimming the same way. But there is a really brightly colored person in the middle, and they are swimming in the opposite direction to everybody. They takes a lot of strength to swim against the current. And that is what we're talking about today, and that is bravery. And what bravery is, and this is a real character strength, and you can really work at this. Bravery is when you step up to have a go, when you have a job to do, even if it's scary, you go for it. You say, let me have a go. Just because you're scared, you don't let the fear stop you. You might have to really work on yourself to be brave enough to have a go, but you have a go. That is bravery. That is real strength of character. That is character strength. That helps you to go forward. Now, remember, we talked about trying to always think of ways that we can grow our character strength with actions. So here are some bravery actions. Well, people could sometimes be pushing you and say, do this, do that, do this, do that. And they're trying to push you to do something. But you need to take your time to decide. You have to be really brave sometimes to take your time to decide. But if you take your time to decide, that's really brave and it helps you in the end. When you are going to do something, if you remember to always be kind to everybody, even when it's difficult, well, that is real bravery, because it's easy to sometimes just lash out or be upset or angry or something like that. But if you really work hard at being kind to everybody, sometimes you have to be really brave to do that and not just swim in the same direction as everybody. And also we said, be confident. You saw that swimmer. That swimmer was prepared to go the way that they needed to go, not the way that everybody else was going. So be confident to make your decisions. Now, as we're talking about bravery, this Sunday was a really special Sunday. It's always called Remembrance Sunday. And you might have seen people wearing these poppies. And that's because on the 11th of November, which is coming up this week, well, we celebrate the end of the First World War. And when we celebrate the end of a war, what we're really celebrating is peace coming. And sometimes people have to be so brave to bring about peace. And sometimes they have to be so brave that it's so difficult. It requires so many things that they have to give up in order to do the right thing. And that's why we wear those poppies, to remember the soldiers who were so brave, and to also remember that war is a terrible thing. And in the end, it's peace that is the beautiful thing, because on the battlefields where so many terrible things had happened, the poppies grew after that. And that reminds us that with peace, there is always hope. And that took a lot of bravery. Now, you know the Grange CC way. We want everybody to be confident, proud of themselves, and everybody to be considerate, care about everybody else in the world. And that's a philosophy for life. And it's our Grange philosophy, our very own Grange CC way, how we want to live. We got CC lining up, which is about being ready to have a go, being brave and saying, yes, I am here. I'm going to do my best, even if maybe the learning is a little bit difficult for me, or maybe I'm just not in a great mood that day, but I line up and I get ready to go. CC lining up is a brave way to start the day or to start any lesson. We got CC walking. You lift your head up and you say, I am going to where I need to get to. And I go in a confident way, but also in a considerate way, so that everybody can be proud of our school, everybody can feel safe in our school, and everybody can learn in our school. So we don't make a noise, we don't run, because we might bump into somebody. So we keep safe and we walk in a CC way, confident and considerate. And also there's CC learning. So if you want to be your very own bestie, you want to be the best friend for yourself, well, that takes a lot of bravery to make this kind of commitment. But you look after yourself, you be your best, you enjoy your learning, you sit quietly when that's what you're supposed to be doing, and you do good listening. You talk when you are supposed to participate in your lesson and do the right thing. You improve by learning from your mistakes and your feedback. Remember the purple pen. And you engage. You always have a go. You have to be brave to always have a go, but you go for it. So this week, we've had lots of stars of the week. And who's getting gold? Well, Ruchama, well done. And Abigail, well done. And Harris, well done. And Yasin, well done. We are so proud of you. And Ayman, well done. And Mohammed, well done. Misbah, well done. Nicole, well done. Bahar, well done. And Shakir, well done. We are so proud of you. Now, here's the Grange House of Water. We're going to do more stuff about the houses through the year, but here's the Grange House of Water. So, wow, the House of Water got 2,410 points last week. That's brilliant. So here are our champions from the House of Water. Kainat, and Daniel, and Madhav, and Reese, and Sadia, all with 20 points, and Zain with 21 points, and Mate with 25, and Nicole B with 26, Hassan with 26, Daisy with 26, Mudassir with 28, Sarah G with 32, Alessia with 45, and Rada with 45. Brilliant work, House of Water. Grange House of Fire, 2,597 points. That's brilliant. And it was Wadia and Nikki on 19, and Dalia on 20 points, and Ruhama on 20 points, and Sophia G on 20 points, and Haneen on 20 points, Sienna 20, Bahar 21, Alma 21, Tasneem 24, Sean 24, Saria 26 points. Well done, Isaac 27, Riyadh 27, Daris 42. Well done, Daris. And the Grange House of Air, we got 2,409 points this last week. Well done. Muhammad Ali got 19, Shreyas got 20, Sajja got 21, Jainam got 23, Elijah got 24, Sarah 80 got 25, Kaylin got 26, great work, Ubaid got 26, excellent, Dylan 27, Katerani 30, and Reva 30, Yasin 31, and Shakir, that's supposed to be 37, not 378, but well done, 37 points. And Ayman 54 points. And the Grange House of Earth, 2,702 points. Sawain 20 points, Satya 20, Justina 20, Nicole U 22, Elias 25, Larian 25, Clayton 26, well done, Joshua 26 points, excellent, Julia P 27, Sama 31, Nisa 41, and Izan 56 points, brilliant. So the whole Grange community got 10,118 points. Look at that number carefully. Can you see the place values? 10,118 points, which is absolutely brilliant. So, who were Mr. Kerbel's classy classes? Ruby class had 374 points. Brilliant work. Picasso class, 400 points. And Malala class, stunning, 675 points. Magnificent Malala class. So, do you remember last half term we got 47,561 points? Well, our target for autumn 2 is 50,000 points. Can we go better than autumn 1? Last half term, we had a visit from Freddie to celebrate how brilliantly we did with class chart points. And this half term, we are looking forward to visit from a real reindeer for Christmas. So do your bit, have courage, be brave, be your best, be a great Grange CC learner. I'm looking forward to Christmas already. Be great, be Grange, live your lives with confidence and consideration the CC way. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Be Grange.